On today's episode on WarpDriveM, I'm gonna show you the new project car. We are not going to talk about the 435i or about the E39. Oh, I didn't show you this part because it's the work in progress. I'm gonna show you in the next episode what we are working on this one. But we are all here for this. Check this out, this is the new project car BMW E23 745i, and I'm gonna show you everything. To be honest, I'm not really sure how to start this video because I'm so excited to have a car like this in my garage. Oh my god, it's a dream come true. Let's start with the exterior. This is the front of the car, and you can see in the number plate that we have an age, that means historical, so it's over 30 years old. But check this out, this front of the car is amazing. The car is in perfect shape, not perfect shape, in very good shape. It's not quite perfect. I'm gonna show you everything. We don't have any kind of rust, nothing. And check this out. Oh my god, the sound and how the door closes. Oh my god, it's amazing. We have the original wheels with very good tires. And maybe you know, or maybe you don't, if you watch carefully, the bumpers in the front, in the rear, I mean here, and in the front in here are US spec, because in Europe we don't have this bulge on the bumpers. This was a car made for USA and was re-imported in Germany. The car is a little bit dusty because the car doesn't drove that much. But in perfect shape. I mean in very good condition, not perfect shape. We have sunroof in here, we have leather on the inside. I'm gonna show you everything. And the back now. This is truly a very nice car. Check this out. Let's check the tools. Oh my god, complete set. These are completely from factory. BMW tools. Nice. Nice, very nice. All the carpet is in original shape and perfect shape. We don't have any kind of stains, nothing. And we have some spare parts in here. I'm gonna show you in a little bit why. Everything seems to be just fine in here. We have a lip, a spoiler on the rear trunk. Let me show you the interior now. Oh my god, that's another feeling when you open and close the doors like this. We have wood inserts on the door panels. Everything is metal and quality done. We have just 32,000 miles. See that in miles. Like I've said, this one was made for Germany, for US. Automatic gearbox. This is the dash with climate control, everything. The dash is in perfect shape. We don't have any kind of cracks, anything. As you can see, we have some modern stuff like this radio and Bluetooth, but I'm going to go through everything. We have almost the first board computer. I cannot show you anything because the battery is disconnected, and I'm gonna explain you why in a little bit. We have some strange connector in here, or I'm not sure what this does, because it does nothing. Everything is here, the car is complete, it doesn't have any kind of crack, nothing. On the inside everything is perfect. All four the windows are electrical. We have another button in here, maybe this is for the trunk, but I'm not really sure. And now let me show you the engine. Let me show you this engine. Check this out. Check this out. We have the as you can see in here on the intake, this engine might be 3.2 liters or 3.5, but I know for a fact that this one is 3.2 liters, because the 3.5 liters should have had a turbo. Let's put the battery back. Check this out, everything is dry, no leaks, nothing at all. Looks amazing. Now that I've put the battery, let's start the car and to hear this one. Yeah, by the way, this one runs and drives and starts perfect. I think I need to have the keys in order to start the car, for sure. Where are my keys? Yep, check this out, we have 2 keys. Finally a car with 2 keys. Okay. Oh, I saw for a little bit the oil light. Oh my god, this gives me chills. The engine runs very smooth and perfect. Everything is in perfect condition. Nice. Let's check the dash. Not too much rev because the engine is cold. Nice. Everything seems to be working just fine. On the hood we have this foam, isolating foam for noise cancellation for sure, but this was done sometimes. We have some rust, surface rust in here, in there, and on the other hinge, but that's about it, the rust that I can see. Other than that, we don't have any kind of rust. And now the fun part, what's wrong with the car? As you can see, the car starts, runs perfect, drives perfect, has brakes, everything, the car works perfect, almost, but something is wrong with the car. So let's start with here. This one is put this terminal that you can take the current from the car is put extra in here because the car has a weird electrical problem. It's going to hold the lights on the interior always on. The second problem is that we have a few wires, a bridge. I'm not really sure, we have to check everything, because this car, like I said, was made for US, and somebody wanted to convert this for Europe. Everything is converted already, but in this conversion something is not correctly done, and it has these weird problems. The first conversion, that's why we have these parts in here, this is the antenna, and because everything was analog, and in that period of time you had the parts done for a specific region. We have the radio module, the radio itself, and this has worked only in the US, and in order to work on Europe, like I've said, they replaced the antenna. We have a new antenna. That's the antenna for the US spec. We have a new radio. Everything is out from here. And somebody installed a modern radio with a microphone, so that means it has Bluetooth headset. A Bluetooth with you can connect your headphone. You can connect your cell phone. And like I said, in all this replacement of the wires, somebody done something bad, because it's drawing current, and if you do not take the battery out, it's going to drain the battery. After that, we have this switch that normally should take all the current out, but it's not working, and I see in there a few wires. See that? A new wire in there. And pretty much that's about it with the problems on this car. This is just an electrical problem, and the lights in the front are not working, or sometimes works. We can put the ignition on. Lights are on. But we have just one light working in the headlights, and that's the park lights. That's about it. Let's check the turn signal. I hear something. Okay, this side is working, this side as well. Let's check the other one. This side is working. This side as well. With the engine running, I've set the lights. I've started the fog lights, but this car doesn't have, seems to have any kind of fog lights, and everything is dead on the back. No kind of lights, nothing. And in the front, let's see, nothing as well. So that's the main problem. Let's shut the engine, because it's making a lot of gases in here, and I don't want to die right now. I'm going to check the radio. If the radio is working, I'm going to check the climate control. The hazard work. Perfect. And I've noticed, check this out, this car in 1977 had ABS. Perfect. And we have a light for the fog lights in there, but I cannot seem to make that working. And we have the first computer in here, but as well it's not doing anything. Let's put the ignition once again on. Okay, see that the fog lights are on, but the light doesn't come on because the car doesn't have fog lights. Not really sure. And if we press in here, normally we should have lights if everything is okay, or if everything is not okay, but this one is not working. I think this is it for this episode. In the next episode Daniel will come, and together we are going to start diagnosing this car. We are going to start checking why the headlights doesn't work and the rear lights. We are going to check why the car is drawing current, and I'm pretty sure we can fix this. I'm not really sure if we can make the old computer stuff to work, because I to be honest, I have no idea if I can fix that. Not really sure. Maybe I can fix that as well. But join me on the next episode to see more progress on this car. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.